Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and then in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher. Then click to OK twice and go back. After that, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. The process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.